Ante Kvartic, CroatianSports.com. I'm here with Mario Hezonja, the Croatian national basketball player and of the Orlando Magic. Mario, you're 21 years old. You're playing in the best basketball league in the world, and you just moved to a new country. How's everything going in America right now?
So far, so good. First month was like tough, just like for everybody everywhere. As you say, new country, everything's kind of new, especially transitions from Europe to NBA. But now it's everything coming natural to me, and it's going great.
We spoke to Bojan Bogdanovic last year in his rookie season. He said Euro basketball isn't even the same sport as NBA. You're on a back-to-back. Last night you were in Golden State. Now you're in LA. How is it different than Euro ball? Do you agree with him that it's much different than Euro basketball?
I totally agree with him. It's just other planet, but not as much as a travel-wise, because in Europe it can happen that you have back-to-back games. I mean, not as many as NBA, but it can happen. But just the game overall is just it's other sport.
You're going to qualify for the Olympics in a few months, again, because you missed out on Euroball last summer. Are you happy with the current state of Croatian basketball?
No, to be honest with you. But it will come eventually if we all stay together and realize that we are in bad situation right now. We have that qualification round to do before Olympics. We got to go there and beat great teams such as Italy and Greece, and we have Tunis too, and there's two teams more in other groups. So it'll be hard, but we got to approach serious to it and try to do our best.
Will Croatia be in Rio this summer?
I hope so. You got to be. I mean, Croatian basketball had so much bright things before, and he just disappeared for a lot of years in a row. Mm-hmm. So I mean, it's kind of on us, especially on my back, to bring it back, to Croatian people and to Croatia, because I think they deserve it.
You're born in 1995. Yeah. I have some pairs of shoes that are older than you.
Yeah.
I'm 29 years old. I know it doesn't look like it, but why do you wear number 23?
I have no idea. Trust me.
Not Jordan, nothing like that.
It was that in Barcelona, because I couldn't pick anything that I like, 8 or 11. So they gave me, because of that, they gave me 23, and I was like, okay, I mean, let's do it. But then here happened the same situation, and I'm not kind of person that is going to change a lot of things outside of basketball. I'll kind of keep my rituals the same, But that's why I picked 23 even in Orlando, and nobody wore it before. Yeah, so that's why.
You were born in 1995. You missed the Jordan days. You were still a baby.
Yeah.
Growing up, because you love basketball so much, who were your NBA stars growing up for you?
Kobe, definitely. I couldn't watch too much NBA games and Eurobasket. It was not shown on TV as much as it is nowadays. So I heard for everything from newspapers, cards, or whatever it is. So I had mostly Kobe at his prime, Allen Iverson, Shaquille, Dwight Howard coming.
All the big guys. All the big guys.
Yeah.
Are you a big soccer guy? Do you follow the Repka back home? For soccer, sa nogomet.
Yeah. Not as much, but a great friend of mine is Alen Halilovic. So we stay in touch every day, every week. So we talk a lot about soccer, basketball, because he's a big fan.
He's in Barcelona right now as well, Sporting Gijón, but but Barcelona.
Yeah, but he going back. So yeah, I am.
Are you Hajdukovac, Dinamovac? Who do you follow in the Prva Liga?
Before, when I was in the Dubrovnik, big fan of Hajduk, because everybody in the city is just Hajduk. That's Dalmatia. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's everybody is about Hajduk. But then they just disappeared, like a country just drowned
Yeah.
them. So they just unfortunately disappear. And then when I came to Zagreb, Dinamo was like last hurrah.
It's kind of tough when they win the league every damn year, you know.
Yeah, I mean, but I mean, when I came to Zagreb, now I was a big fan of Dinamo because they were in expansion, like thousands and thousands of fans watching the games, cheering and everything. That's what I like, and that kind of environment. So then even Dinamo disappeared. Even they are great now too, but just the fans disappeared. So I don't like anybody now.
Well, let me leave with this last question before I go, and thank you so much for your time. As always, I wish you the best moving forward in your NBA career, and I hope you get a gold medal for Croatia one day. But what's more important for you, an NBA title or a Croatian gold medal at the Olympics?
Both
Equal.
equal.
CroatianSports.com nation, Mario Hezonja, thank you so much for your time, and we'll be seeing you on the court.